When you meet a woman and she starts testing you, you often panic. You get nervous, start to explain yourselves, or start making stupid jokes. But the reality is, if you're not able to solve her objection fast, 90% of the time, that's a formula to getting rejected immediately. So in this video, I'm gonna take you to a class that I gave to my private workshop clients, where I introduce a simple method that solves this problem forever. It's a two-step framework you can use anytime a woman starts testing you, and you can apply it to overcome her uncertainty really quickly. Later in the video, I'm gonna give several examples of how to apply the framework in the most common scenarios. So let's get into it. So what kind of objections did we get this week already from women? All sorts of objections. I'm in a hurry.
I'm sorry, but rushing.
Speak English.
Yeah. Speak English.
Understand maybe a little? No?
I have a boyfriend.
Boyfriend, yeah.
How do we keep in touch? Is this Instagram okay for you?
Not sure.
No? Okay. Have a nice day.
Not sure. When it comes to like scheduling a date.
I'm on a call. I can't talk to you right now.
Yeah. Good.
How old are you?
How old are you? It's a form of objecting, yeah. When it comes to a date or to sex, what are usually things women might bring up?
I usually don't do this quick.
It's quick, yeah.
Too fast, too
Mm-hmm.
Not right now.
Exactly. So, we can say for sure objections are part of the game, right? We all face them. Nobody's immune to them. Women will bring some form of limit. Cool. That's their right. That's totally normal. Honestly, imagine you would meet a woman. You say, hi, my name is Alex. She's like, hello, do you want to sit here? Okay. You go for the kiss. She makes out with you. You want to go home? Okay. I had that once. It was fucking weird. She was loco. Very weird chick, you know? So actually you want girls to put a boundary. It means she's healthy in her mind. She doesn't just let you roll over her. Hot chick, I guess somebody should, no, don't look at everyone. But one of you, once you pass, should slowly approach. Without you is even better.
I'll do that.
Okay. So when we hit an objection, we have to first acknowledge it. We have to tell her, hey, we're listening. I'm here for you. You know, I'm not trying to just smash you. I'm just not overwhelming you. I acknowledge. The first thing is always acknowledge. You can simply say, repeat it back. You can say, oh, you're in a rush. I understand. Ah, you're married. I see. You know, oh, you're literally just mirroring it back, acknowledging it in a positive way of like, oh, I understand. And then you have to create a solution around it. You go somewhere now, like travel?
Yes, I'm late for the train because of a training. I'm after the gym. I'm in rush today and I bought already the ticket for the later one.
Okay.
And I must wait half hour.
I was about to say you're the most chill late person. But now I understand. You already missed it.
Yeah.
And now you can chill again. Okay. What's your name?
And yours?
Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You have beautiful eyes and cute face.
Well, thank you. Even without makeup and after training, thank you.
Amazing. Yes. Because before the glasses, I didn't see, but now I see. So acknowledge the problem, create solution. Your job as a man is to find a solution that works for you and her. Otherwise, you will never get your way. That's the only way. And it's the same in an argument, right? If a woman brings up some bullshit, and maybe it might be bullshit, she might be full of shit, she might be delusional. If you go against it, big drama. She's not gonna back down. You know, women are pretty irrational a lot of the time. She won't really go like, actually, now that you logically explained it, I agree with you. No woman said that ever, right? She's just like, no, you're stupid, and why, and you're so wrong. So even if she says bullshit, you should still acknowledge it and create a solution around it. Hard, but that's just what being a man is. So, nice. We got one done. So if she says she's in a rush, what would be acknowledging and creating a solution?
Yeah, I can tell you're in a rush. I'll walk with you just as well.
Yes, exactly. She needs to go somewhere, so we go with her, right? The stress is, I can't stay here. I'll walk with you. Are you Polish? Yeah. Okay, you look good. I just noticed you. Turn around. 1 second. Are you in a rush? Do you have to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Before you go, what's your name? Do you want to have me on Instagram? We chat later. You're like, oh, worst thing ever that happened to me. Oh my God, your nails are insane. And why you have no time? What's so busy today?
I have a lot to do.
Real stuff or like I need to buy shampoo or like fake busy?
Work.
Work?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm Alex. I'm not gonna rush with you. Add me on Instagram, I text you.
Okay.
What's I have a boyfriend.
Understand? We're just talking. It's fine.
But are we just talking?
Yeah, well.
That's a lie.
How about this? Like, oh, no problem. You too.
I have a boyfriend.
It's not really a solution.
Is he hot?
Didn't acknowledge. Yeah. That's funny and it continues, but then what's the solution? Like what do we actually want? Because we're not just talking. I am interested in her.
Or we can just. How are things going between the two?
Getting more information is good. I do that, yeah. And I might call her. I'm like, hey, this is personal, but how long you been with him? You know, I said it literally today. I was like, how old are you? She's like 20. And how long you been with him? 6 months. I'm like, okay. Like in my mind, I'm like, this is gonna end, like for sure. So what I did was like, hey, I love photography. I think you're beautiful. Let's just be friends on Instagram. You can have me on Instagram. We can be friends. I just moved here. I like making friends.
Sure.
And I'm a photographer. Didn't work, but that was my attempt, right? So I shifted, like, I didn't say, hey, you're gonna break up, because that would be confronting. That's not really acknowledging it, right? Nobody wants to hear that, like, hey, once you're done with this idiot, it doesn't work. You can't insult a person's relationship. It's not gonna make you look good, right? She doesn't want to meet a guy who has that attitude.
But I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Dommage. No. No, I have a solution. You can give her your number, and if ever she wants to go for the coffee or for a drink, she texts you.
It's also a good idea. Or
It's a better idea.
I have idea, but better than, I like your idea, but then better Instagram, because honestly, numbers, I never text. You know, when you save a number, you can add, it's fine. Because honestly, on number, I save and I forget about it forever. At least on Instagram, you can get to know me, you see who I am, and then you can decide. So you have to be like, I totally understand then. I respect your relationship, Hope you guys get married. But hey, you're a model, I'm a photographer, that's for me. I mean, you have to find your own way. Let's be friends on Instagram. Maybe we collab one day. Or I love organizing events, and often I need people like you. So in this case, I want to keep her in my life. And then just use my Instagram that she follows, and then if she eventually breaks up, she will text me.
So I have a good algorithm that's worked on this. So other boyfriends are like, oh, well, how do you guys meet? I'm always curious. There's always a story. They always like talking.
I love that.
And then I always love the story. I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I love that. Hey, let me get your Instagram. We're throwing parties once in a while. And that I have a high close ratio with that little.
Parties is good, and that's exactly like it says. You have to be on her side, right? He's like, I love that. That's beautiful. That's romantic. Now you're creating a solution around it. You're not confronting her, because nobody wants to be confronted. Okay. What about this is too fast? You're going for a kiss, or you're trying to take a bra off. It's too fast.
I understand that you don't feel comfortable. We can slow it down.
Yeah. Don't even have to say it that much. I'm like, no problem. Like, I try to not use like these negative words too much. Like, I know you're uncomfortable.
Right.
That kind of makes me uncomfortable. Oh yeah, easy, no problem. Chill, Yeah. If she says, oh, I don't give my number to strangers.
I know it's a bit unusual.
Yeah. Acknowledging, good.
Number.
And solution?
Solution would be maybe we can be friends on Instagram.
Friends on Instagram. Yeah.
and you can give reasoning like, yes, maybe we will not be a couple, but you seem to have an interesting life, so I want to see what you're up to.
Yeah. Or better, I love meeting interesting people. I love having friends around the world. Or, you know, like I'm a connector. So now I'm normalizing the fact that I'm doing this. Distract you too long. Maybe we can be friends on Instagram. I like meeting people.
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Ah, da? You have? Okay, it's fine. Then I love photography. Maybe one day we can shoot or just be friends Instagram.
Okay, and actually I have a boyfriend right now.
Ah, then it would be weird to just add stranger to Instagram.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I mean, we wanted to be nice, but
No, yeah, it's fine.
I'm not really looking for anything.
That's cool.
But thank you.
It's good. I like to make friends. I like to talk to people.
Yeah.
I'm just in process of moving here.
Oh, really?
So I'm in trying to be social. I'm also super introvert, especially when I was younger. But now it was my goal to be more extrovert.
Good.
Instead of, I want to see what you're up to, now you sound like a fan. Versus, I'm a connector. I have friends in the whole world. Like for me, it's the most normal thing to meet girls everywhere, right? That's the frame that she now submits to. So let's just be friends on Instagram, you know? I love meeting people. It's always good to know people from different cities. I travel a lot. I might move here. I might need a hairdresser one day. Or yesterday I met an interior designer with a boyfriend. I was like, hey, maybe I need you to decorate my apartment one day. Let's just stay in touch. You know?
Find some reason.
Yeah, find a reason to at least have her in the, that's why Instagram is good. At least she's not lost, you know, she's in the registry. Nice. Okay, that's good stuff. So talk about yourself and acknowledge and sidestep. Or even checking in, like, again, more information. Oh, is it too rough? Or are you shy about your, Or maybe with kissing. Or are you shy to kiss in public? Because we don't know. Maybe she wants to kiss us, but she doesn't like people watching, right? A lot of times I don't go for the kiss, and as soon as we're in an elevator, she's like, oh. We as men don't know exactly what she doesn't like, so we might as well ask, you know? Or are the lights too bright? Maybe she's shy. Like some girls have small boobs. They don't like to take their bra off. It's like, hey, if we turn the lights on, are you more comfortable? And she's like, no, it's just too fast. Okay, cool, we chill a bit. Getting information is always good. If this video helped you and you are curious or excited to work with me and my team personally in private workshops, you can click below and apply for one of the last spots in my upcoming workshops in Warsaw and Berlin. I only run these workshops a couple times per year, and these are the best way to get good fast. You will approach about 40 to 50 women in a course of only 3 days. So yes, they are intense. They take work, they take commitment, so don't apply if you're not ready to do that. But the upside is just as good as the effort you put in. For sure, in those 3 days, you will overcome approach anxiety. For sure, you will have amazing conversations. For sure, you will learn not only about your internal habits and limiting beliefs, but also apply new methods and new approaches when it comes to interacting with strangers. So to start the process, click below and start your application. I can only take on 6 guys per workshop because it's a very personalized approach that I do here with me and my coaching team. So if you feel ready, then apply now. If you're in a state where you're too nervous to even start a conversation with a woman currently, then you can watch this video next to solve that.